Hi, I'm Clayton, and this is my Confessions of a Dangerous Mind review. This movie, its notable actors include Sam Rockwell, George Clooney, who also directed the movie, Drew Barrymore, Julia Roberts, and a few bit parts here and there. Brad Pitt was in it for a second, Matt Damon was in it for a second, Michael Cera, really young Michael Cera, was at the very beginning of the movie. This movie's about Chuck Barris, who was the innovator of the dating game, the newlywed game, the Gong Show, pretty much the innovator of trash TV. Basically, the gist of the movie is him saying that while he was doing this, he was also a CIA agent or assassin, and it works. I liked it a lot. I'm really into the dark side of Hollywood kind of thing. Sam Rockwell, he was really good. Drew Barrymore, she was really good. George Clooney was probably a better director of this movie than an actor. I don't know. George Clooney's okay, but he always plays George Clooney, it seems like. The cinematography in this movie was really good. I really liked some of the imagery towards the end of the movie where Chuck Barris is starting to lose it. The end where Chuck Barris is having a nervous breakdown, and the imagery that was provided for that scene, his mom being in front of him, kind of like godlike, and the birthday cake being in front of him, and the cutaway like flashbacks of the same sort of thing where he was young, and how they like fit that all together, and then them cutting away again and him just standing on the stage of the Gong Show and looking up and at a stagehand, and he's just looking at him like, what the fuck, dude? Things leading up to that scene where he's like running on stage after George Clooney has like been killed or killed himself in his backyard. Him pulling a gun on the unknown comic, I thought that was really cool. I think they did a really good job with the character development in this movie. They did a really good job of providing explanation of why Chuck Barris supposedly did all these things, providing reasons for why he's not able to like have a decent relationship with Penny, Drew Barrymore's character, or anybody else for that matter. Really like just providing a good reason for the entire duality of his character, or the way he is.
This movie in 5 words or less.
Rockwell gets naked a lot.
It could have been better.
Drew Barrymore is really cute.
What did I just watch?
But yeah, this movie was really good. I liked it a lot. Probably more than most people, it seems like. I'd probably give it about 8 stars out of 10. I'll probably watch it again at some point. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe if you liked my review, and I will see you later. Zombie hand high five.